Okay, so we're going to simplify this, and we know that we can take these two separate ones and make them all into one big one, like this, and call it fourth root. And then we'll do that. And then on the top is the 160, x to the 13, y to the 13. And on the bottom is the 10x y to the 5th. Okay. So now all we have to do is divide the two separate ones here. Right? We can combine those together into a big boy right there. And now all we have to do is we divide this thing out and see what remains. We have a fourth root at the end of all this. But the first thing is we have 160 over 10. That means we can just basically cancel the zeros and get a 16 out of that, right? So let's put that down here. Fourth root. That gives us a 16. Okay, and then it's pretty easy after that. All we have to do is subtract these powers, right? The exponents. So 13 minus the x to the 1 leaves us an x to the 12. Okay, and then a y to the 13 minus y to the 5th. 13 minus 5 is 8. So that's y to the 8th. Okay. So the fourth root of 16 is what? 2, right? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. We could go ahead then and do this. The next step here would be to put all this to the 1/4, 16, x to the 12th, y to the 8th, to the 1/4. The fourth root translates to the fractional exponent. And then we have the fourth root of 16, we just said is 2. So that's going to come outside. And then we're going to have x and y here. And we're going to say 12 times the 1/4. And that's just 12 over 4. Hello, 12 over 4. And then we're going to say the 8 times the 1/4. That's 8 over 4. So 8 over 4. Okay, then we reduce those guys down. 12 over 4 is what, 3? And 8 over 4 is 2. So that seems to be our answer right there.